Hey guys, Paul here with Putco. Today I'm very excited to show you our new Blade Direct Fit Kits. That's right, Putco's releasing a full line of kitted blades and harnesses to direct fit to most vehicles out there. Everything from your Jeep JL to your new Ford vehicles will come with a kitted blade and harness specifically for that vehicle. Let's get into it. All right, so it's the same blade you know and love, with our 5 functions being brake, turn, running, hazard, and our 3000 lumen white reverse. We also featured a chip on board LED placement, so you get that really nice thinly spaced diodes. There's about 2,000 diodes on a 60-inch light bar. That gives you that nice laser-like appearance. Also gives you that nice rich color temperature for your red, amber, and white. Like we mentioned earlier, this thing is going to be entirely plug and play with vehicle-specific SKUs. That means no wiring, no splicing, and no interference from your bliss system, trailer detect, backup assist, or trailering add-ons and options. This is all made possible by Putco's proprietary OEM connectors, to which we have exclusive rights. This means that all of your OEM connections, as well as your 7-pin and 4-pin, are left intact, and your 7 and 4-pin are still accessible. And because of low install time, it's a great product to stock on the shelves or have in the showroom. And because of Putco's patented clip set system, it's an easy product for the end consumer to install on their own as well. And that's about it for the Blade Direct Fit Kits. Just as a note, we are keeping our universal blade part numbers as well if you prefer to wire or splice or use that 4-pin on older vehicles. If you're interested in purchasing, please check out the dealer locator below. A lot of great shops out there that would love to install this part for you. And otherwise, thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out on Facebook at Putco Inc. or Instagram at Putco Inc. as well. Thank you, and see ya.